Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. If your iPhone and iPad shows sign out not available due to restrictions, then keep watching this video until the end, cause today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we have to go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on screen time. Now scroll down and tap turn off screen time and tap again turn off screen time to confirm. Now the screen time is turned off. We have to force quit setting app. Now go to settings, tap on your profile name and check the problem will solve or not. Scroll down. That's it. We will solve this issue by turning off screen time. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.